The Multistate Bar Examination, MBE, is a critical component of the bar exam in the United States. Here is a summary of the data regarding passing scores, common topics, and the hardest questions over the past 5 years. Passing scores. The passing scores for the MBE vary by jurisdiction. Generally, jurisdictions require a scaled score between 130 and 145 out of 200 to pass. Over the past 5 years, these scores have remained relatively consistent across states. For example, California, 139, scaled score out of 200. New York, 133, scaled score out of 200. Texas, 135, scaled score out of 200. Common topics. The MBE covers 7 major areas of law, with each subject contributing approximately 25 questions to the 200-question exam. The common topics are 1. Constitutional law, 2. Contracts, 3. Criminal law and procedure, 4. Evidence, 5. Real property, 6. Torts, 7. Civil procedure, added in February 2015. Hardest questions. The hardest questions on the MBE tend to come from the following areas. 1. Civil procedure. This subject often includes complex procedural rules and nuanced distinctions that can be challenging. 2. Constitutional law. Questions often require deep understanding and application of various constitutional doctrines and principles. 3. Evidence. The federal rules of evidence and their application can be intricate and often trip up examinees. In these areas, the hardest questions typically involve detailed fact patterns requiring the application of multiple legal principles, hypotheticals that test the examinee's ability to distinguish between similar legal concepts, procedural nuances in civil procedure, such as jurisdiction and the various motions and appeals processes. Overall, while passing scores and the topics covered have remained consistent, the hardest questions often revolve around the intricate and detailed application of legal principles, particularly in civil procedure, constitutional law, and evidence.